I want to go ahead and give you guys my stocks that I'm watching for the weeks, the levels that I'm looking at. We're going to first start off with ES and NQ, and then we're going to move on to some of the equities. I am going to start doing this every Sunday and Wednesday, so you guys make sure you guys tune in, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and let's jump right into the charts. Let's get paid this week. So the first thing we're going to pull up is ES. As you see, ES is pulled up here. All right, so let's go ahead and go into our levels. So right now, as you know, ES is open. It's Sunday. So it's Sunday night and ES has opened up already. Started to make a move the first hour. It did shoot down, drop down below our supply level, headed towards demand. If tomorrow we get down here to this level, I will be looking for some calls, try to take back above here or above that level. Yep, so you have a high here, and some lows here. So I look at this as a potential bounce area here. And if this fails, we're coming down to this level and down here. The market has been in the overall uptrend. And let's see what, yeah, so it just reversed off of this level here. It failed up here. You see, it was oversold on the RSI as it was getting above this level. RSI oversold, even went up to 80. What's the highest it got? Yep, 80. At the 80, it started reversing. So we want to see this thing get back down here. Hopefully in the morning it's down here under 30, where we can see a bounce here in the morning. So that's what I'm looking for, ES. So that is level 6,800. So 6803 or 6805 to 6795. We're going to be looking for calls here. If that level fails, we're taking it down here. Either we can take a break and retest, or a break and retest here, or come take it down here. However, the charts tell us in the morning, right? We're going to wait till the price action start showing us which way we're going, and we're going to take it that way. This here is just our plan. We're just planning things out. All right. You always want to have a bullish plan and a bearish plan. So the bullish plan is here. Both levels can be here, or obviously above here. If we wake up and it's above here, then we can start looking for this level to hold, or another rejection. I will actually look for this level to hold tomorrow, just because it failed here. So if tomorrow we wake up and it's hanging around up here, I wouldn't look at that as a call or a bullish. I will wait till it get above here. All right. So let's go ahead and pull up NQ. All right. So NQ is making a move as well. We just see NQ reject off this 525 level. Nice bullish bearish candle here with this long wick. Shot right down. Only took an hour to take out all this price action. These 2 days was the holidays, so these didn't have a lot of volume to them anyway. So I was already hoping for rejection. It happened already without me. So I was already looking at this level for rejection. So we down here right now, showing us some bullish standpoint. So I mean, yeah, some bullish price action right now. And as you see, this level held here. I mean, this was a rejection level. Now it can be turned to a level of support. All right, if this level fails, we taking it down here. We have some good levels here, good touch points down here. So we have our plan. Hopefully if this does hold overnight and we stay in between this level, if this hold overnight, I'm actually going to be looking for calls above here. Even if it break down here and reclaim this 25,225 level, if it start getting back above here, I will be looking for calls, trying to take it to 2,500, 25,500. Yep, that's where you see it. Yep, that's why I was looking for this rejection here. So I'm looking for another rejection here, either in the morning or depending on where we wake up at. You know, I'm playing in between these levels. These are my two main levels: 25, 525, and 25, 225. Those are my main levels for tomorrow. We'll see how price action reacts. And this here is the hourly chart. I do go out to the daily as well, see what the day looks like. You got wicks here, wicks here, wicks here, another wick here. So this level is a strong demand level. And same up here, you got wicks, wicks, wicks. So that's why we're seeing the price action we're getting right now. All we got to do is wait. I like how the market is flipping to the bull side. So this could be a pullback. It could pull back to this level, take it back off. All right. Next, we're going to pull up is the Russell. I like the Russell. I like the Russell a lot, actually. I actually trade the Russell a lot. I don't have as many levels on the Russell just because I don't see a lot of levels to trade off of. It's pretty simple and self-explanatory when you come to the Russell. I like their price action. They just seem like they just hit their levels and they move accordingly. All right, so I have a zone here. You can see it's wicking off. These is 3-day highs. The high day, 3 days straight in a row, is trying to hold this 2511 area. Let's go down to the 1 hour chart one more time. So my thesis or my plan is under here. Under here, I believe is going to 2460. So under 2487, I believe it's going to 2460. Right now, you can see it's trying to hold this level and give us some more bullish price action. But we shall see. But my plan is 2457. We're looking at calls that area. Let's see what the price action did before. All right, so let's see what the price action did before. Right now we have it wicking right now. Okay, so let's see what the price action did before. You have these levels right here, 2457, 2460. I like this this little rally-based rally right here. That's why I like this level. I like how I pull back. So I like this level, just pure price action reasons, supply and demand methods. I like this level. I believe this level will hold. If it don't, it's coming down here where we see buyers stepped in again here and here. So let's see if these buyers step in right now. Sellers are taking control. If this price come up here and want to give us another entry for some puts, I will be looking for puts here. If it break above it, hold 2511, I will be looking for calls as well. So that is my game plan for the Russell. You can also trade IWM stock with the Russell. So with ES, you trade SPY, NQ, QQQ, and with the Russell RTY, you trade IWM. I chart the futures because I like to see what's going on in pre-market. But when I'm on my devices and trying to make a trade, I use the options. If I'm trading options, I'm using one of those ETFs, SPY, QQQ, or IWM. All right, let's get into some equity. I got a watch list here. We're gonna go to AMD. I'm watching AMD this week. What I see on AMD right now is see a gap here that I got filled the other day. I missed this gap fill. It was a beautiful trade. Now I'm looking for this move here. Let's go to the daily so you can see it better. So I like this double bottom. So you got a double bottom here. You got a break in the trend lines. I like how this big body candle, big body candle. I like the big body candle. I like the target up here. Right now we're going to be cautious this area because you got some wicks here, wicks here. So this can be a resistance area, but this day took this out so fast. I just want to see this come back up to the top of this candle and give us some more price action, some good price action. Let's go down to the 1 hour chart. So yeah, you see on the 1 hour chart, you just got 3 massive candles. Now it can come up here and reject, so we obviously be looking for the rejection, or we're gonna look for this cause. Right now, I don't see. I don't know. This level looks iffy. I don't know if it want to reject, want to break out. So we're gonna wait on this. We can't wait for the break and retest down here. Maybe look for some calls down here or down here. Or I like this area better just because it'll be a break and test of this trend line as well as this level right here, which has been bouncing off as well and created a nice little demand zone. So my plan for AMD is looking for calls at 207 above 207. I'm looking for calls above 217, 220-ish area, 219. I will be looking for calls as well. If it fails 219, 220, I will be looking for puts as well as looking for puts at 225 if it failed there, or maybe a calls at 225 after it reject this level. We shall see. We shall see. That is the AMD. That is AMD. Let's go ahead and move along. Moving right along, you guys. I got Broadcom here. Not really sure about Broadcom. It broke this consolidation. It's at all-time highs. What about all-time highs? I like it just a break and retest of all-time highs. Usually clean. It's been clean for a while. It may have about over 234. 234. I am looking to take it to 238. I like this resistance area, like some supply there. It has to get above this though. If it get above this area, and hold, we should see some bullish action. Right now, it's staggering. Might pull back to here to look for some calls. If this fails, if 228 fails, then I believe we're coming back down to my golden zone. Other than that, this is my 2 levels, 228, 68. I really would like to see 234 hold. I would like to see that break and hold to go to 239, 240 area. That is my plan, honestly. If it fails here, I don't know. I might take this, I might not. We'll see how price action looking. See what the overall market looking like. I like this because, again, we are breaking a trend, a daily trend. You see this trend line here, which we already broke it. Did a small pullback and trying to make a move up. So I would say this next level get tested of 240. We shall see. And I believe that is all I have for you guys. So SPY, AMD, SPY, QQQ, the Russell, AMD, and AMZN is what I'm looking at this week. I'll update you guys on Wednesday. If you guys like this type of content, subscribe. Go ahead, leave comments. Thank you guys for tuning in to the live, and I'll see you guys on Wednesday. What's going on, family? I have the charts pulled up, you guys. It is Sunday night.